How you doing? This is Keesh and Williams, and this is my fact speech. Do you remember the election of 2000, Al Gore versus George Bush? Or do you remember the most recent election of 2016, Donald Trump versus Hillary Clinton? These were two elections where Americans from all over the United States voted. The winners, George Bush and Donald Trump, didn't win by the popular vote. They won by the Electoral College vote. The Electoral College system is a system in place where each state gets a certain number of electors based on the representatives in Congress. There are a total number of 538 votes. Each elector gets to cast a vote in the election. The candidate that will win will either get 270 or more votes. That's half of the total number of 538. So it comes to say that your popular vote doesn't matter in elections. Your representatives do. Why is this important to know? Each state gets a certain number of electors based on its population size. This could change every 10 years with the census. Candidates want to win states that have more electors because each elector counts as a vote in the elections. So for example, states like California, Texas, and New York have more electors than states like Wyoming, North Dakota, so on and so forth. They want to win these states because they have more electors for more votes. So states that usually vote for the same party in elections are called safe states. That's where the terms red states and blue states come in. So in elections, there are some states that kind of go back and forth between blue states and red states, and they're called swing states. So candidates work very hard to try to get those states. According to the 12th Amendment of the United States Constitution, this is what's in place to elect our president. I remember in 2016, the Donald Trump versus Hillary Clinton election. This was the first time that I was able to legally vote and legally participate in an election. And I remember the night where the results were being shown, and it showed that Hillary Clinton won the popular vote, but she didn't win the Electoral College vote. So this means that most Americans wanted her in office, but the people who were chosen by the representatives, they chose otherwise. They voted for Donald Trump. So Donald Trump became the president of the United States. And this is when I realized that if we wanted a real say, we have to vote for who our representatives are. Now, as you can see, the electors have the power of who goes in office, not a popular vote, which is our vote in big elections. This doesn't mean I don't want you to vote. I want you to vote. We just need to be more involved and need to vote for elections outside of our presidential election. Thank you, and have a good day.